Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well, and I also hope you still remember me because I am back on my channel after almost like 1 year now. Yeah, it has been a really long time since I last uploaded, but yeah, it all has reasons, there was a lot of reasons for what I couldn't be regular on YouTube. But from now I am really going to try my level best to be regular on YouTube because I really missed YouTube. But yeah, today's video is going to be quite an exciting one. Today I'm gonna show you what all I got from Nykaa's Hot Pink sale, and also towards the end of this video I'm gonna show you few products which I bought from Myntra, that too on sale. Like, there was no name for that sale, but yeah, there was a great discounts going on. But first of all, let me tell you, there is absolutely no skincare in this video because I recently bought few minimalist items which I am currently using, and minimalist review is going to be uploaded on my channel real soon. But also, second thing is, please excuse my background for this video because I was so excited I couldn't resist myself from filming this video as soon as possible. So yeah, and also, no, nothing. Yeah, let's just get started. Alright, so as I said, let's just get started with Nykaa. So the first thing that I got from Nykaa is this huge shampoo bottle. This is Dove Hair Fall Rescue shampoo, and this is their 1 liter bottle. I always use Dove dandruff control shampoo that is so mild yet so effective. So I just thought, let's just give this one a try. The second thing that I got from Nykaa, I haven't used it of course, and the second thing I got from Nykaa is this Nykaa Wanderlust shower gel. This is in the variant Country Rose. I was really interested in using rose scent shower gel, so that's why I got it. I haven't used it yet, but let's just smell it. The smell is divine, you guys. It is so good. I just hope that it lasts longer on my body because last year I was using Good Vibes shower gel in the rose variant, and that thing doesn't really last at all. So alright, so first I got this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is in the shade Rose Gold, but this is a gorgeous highlighter. I can show you the pigment though. Yeah, this is quite blinding, and I always wanted to get this shade. I really like rose gold highlighters, so yeah, I got this one. And then I got Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light Medium. Both of these Maybelline products I got on great discount, like great discounts. So I got this one because otherwise I kind of like always find this quite pricey, so I never really go for it. But this time I saw this almost for like 400 rupees or less than that, I guess. No, 400 rupees I guess. So that is good for this product. So yeah, I just got it. Okay, I got two matte Luxe lipsticks of Nykaa, and they are pretty much on sale most of the time, but the prices was a lot lower than what usually it is on sales. So the first shade that I got is Vintage, and the other shade is Jager Bomb. I don't know how to pronounce it, but both the shades are nude and both the shades are extremely beautiful. This shade Vintage is not ideal for dusky beauties, I would say. It works on my skin tone absolutely perfectly, and 2 or 3 shades darker than my skin tone can also wear it. But this shade, obviously, like this Jager Bomb or something, this dusky people can also wear because this is quite a dark and nude. So then I got this Color blush, matte illusion, I guess. Yeah, cheek illusion blush. This is in the shade Pink Pinch. I wanted to buy this since a really long time, and finally it was on great discount, so I got this. This is a gorgeous, not exactly pink, this is a mauve pink shade. Like, it has slight hints of purple, I feel, so that's why I really love it. And the next product I got 4 lipsticks from Faces Canada because I was getting buy one and get one free, so I actually paid for 2 but I got 4. I got these 4 lipsticks. Comment down below if you want a detailed review on these products because I also have a shade Tea Rose from, like, I bought it previously, but now I have bought 4 shades: Espresso, Burnt Amber, Natural Cocoa and Scandalous. So comment down below if you want to see a detailed review on that. I am showing the things quite haphazardly, I know, but yeah, this I forgot to talk about it. The formula of this lipstick is really good, but this is not completely matte. But as the name suggests, this is matte luxe, so you will feel luxe using this lipstick. The packaging, let me show you the packaging. The feel of this lipstick, everything is so beautiful. And also I must say that this color Vintage, if you are around my skin tone, just blindly go for this because this is a very sexy and kind of like expensive kind of nude, you know, not those era gara type of nudes that you see on every other lipstick ranges. This is a very different kind of nude, white. So yeah, I really love it. The formula is creamy matte, not pure matte. I haven't tested the longevity of this product, so I can't comment on that. The next product I got from Nykaa is this Nykaa's eyeshadow palette. I really wanted to try it out since it launched, but I never bought it because I found it quite expensive. But I got this in Hot Pink sale in 50% off. So I got this. I got the shade, I think, Sweet Sunday, this one, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks. I am in love with the pigmentation of this palette. I swatched few shades. I'm gonna swatch at least one shade from this palette, which is this one. I do have quite a few eyeshadow palettes, like I do have a good collection of eyeshadow palettes, but this shimmer shade, I have not seen this shimmer shade or like this kind of shimmer shades in any palette. I haven't used it, so I cannot comment on how beautifully it blends or it doesn't blend. I don't know, but I hope this is going to be good. Then I got 2 free Nykaa's Kajal. I haven't used it, so I can't comment on that. And then I got few products from K Beauty. I am absolutely in love with K Beauty. I don't know, for some reason I really like this brand because this is you know, like celebrity owned brand, but still this feels like very down to earth, and they give good discounts. They also provide many free products as well. Like there is always some or the other offers going on in K Beauty. And also the products, the price range I feel is not too much expensive and not like too affordable. It's somewhere in between, which is good, which is really good. I got, first of all, I got 2 eyeshadow crayons from K Beauty. One is Glory, another one is Blush. This is a cool toned brown. This is a pretty mauvish pink kind of shade. I haven't used it, so I don't know about how good it blends or lasts. Then I got 2, what is called, matte Rama matte lipsticks. One is Thriller, another one is Box Office. I really wanted to try these lipsticks out, and K Beauty runs offers very like frequently, but these lipsticks I haven't really seen on great discounts. But in the Hot Pink sale I got them almost for like 700 rupees, so I was like, wow. So this is a beautiful brown shade, and this shade is my favorite. This is Box Office. It's a beautiful mauve shade. The packaging is good, not just good, it's great. This is a beautiful mauve shade, kind of like a purple kind of shade. I really love it. And then I have this K-Beauty Kajal, which I also have on my waterline today. This is really good. I have tried to smudge it with my fingers and it smudged quite nicely, not extremely, quite nicely. I really liked it. I don't know about the longevity though. Okay, this is, I rubbed around my eyes quite, like not so hard but quite hard, but yeah, this is definitely smudge proof. So I have a feeling that this is going to be long lasting enough. Okay, so again, one thing I forgot to mention is that this Nykaa's Wink It All, yeah, just Wink It palette, this is only one product which was manufactured in 2019 and it is going to expire on 2022. So that is not good. Like, I cannot really get enough time to use it completely. But then I have few products which I was most excited for. So I have these K-Beauty blushes. I have this in 3 shades. One is soft nude, which actually I initially bought, and then I just saw Ankita Chaturvedi's Instagram stories, and then I was like, okay, I have to get these two as well, because she said that these two are absolute must-haves. Like, this is in the shade Mindberry and Dusty Rose. So let me just show you the packaging. First of all, I have Mindberry on my face, which I am absolutely sure that you cannot see on camera. But let me show you the packaging. The packaging is so beautiful. And this is what I love about K-Beauty. I don't know. Their packaging is so good. Their formula is so good. Their price range is quite affordable. They also run good discounts. Like, what do you want in a brand? I am absolutely in love with K-Beauty products. This shade is so good, so gorgeous. And let me show you Mindberry. Mindberry is a very subtle, like all of the 3 shades that I got are very subtle. This is a very subtle pink, mauvish pink, not too mauve, more towards pink. This is a very beautiful brownish peach kind of shade, and the shade Dusty Rose is straight up a light dusty peach kind of shade. So yeah, that is all. And also I got this K-Beauty lip crayon free in the shade Playback, which is a beautiful peach shade. So I do have quite a few shades from this range. Like, I have, I guess, 4 to 5 shades, and with this I think I have 6 or like 5 or 6 shades in total. So comment down below if you want to see swatches and reviews on these lip crayons as well. So that was all from Nykaa. It's finished, and I have to say that my favorite was definitely K-Beauty's blush, and also this Nykaa Just Wink It palette. I was really surprised by this, and all of the products I got I really loved. And then let me show you few products which I got from Myntra. The first thing that I got is this Just Herbs lipstick. I got this on buy one get one free. I believe these are for 745 rupees each. Yeah, 745 rupees each, but I got them on buy one get one free. So I got 2 shades. One is Margie 08 and another one is 13. I'm very bad at pronouncing the shades, I don't know. The packaging is so beautiful. The packaging is 70% the reason I got these lipsticks, and the formula is good, but you cannot wear this under mask because these are quite creamy, less matte. You can definitely use it in winters, or if you just like creamy lipsticks in general. But if you are a hardcore matte lipsticks lover like me, you are not going to enjoy it pretty much, especially in this mask situation. And then I got few products from Makeup Revolution. Okay, first let me show you one thing I got from Lakme. This is their Blur Perfect Primer. I got this because I did not have any good primer. I only have one inside primer which I don't really use that much, so I really wanted to see if I need primer or not. And then I got 2 lipsticks. two liquid lipsticks from Makeup Revolution. One I have on my lips right now, which camera is not really showing the actual color. This is not this much nude. This is a dusty pink kind of shade. It's in the shade Poise. Another one is in the shade Fling. So these two are beautiful nudes, but if you are around my skin tone, like up to my skin tone, I guess, can use this color. 1 or 2 shade darker than my skin tone can still use it, but darker than that cannot really use it because it is quite light. And also I got this bullet lipstick. This is in the shade Hard Grace, and do not buy this please, because this is an extremely pale color for my skin tone. If you are extremely fair skin tone, then definitely you can buy this, but if you are around my skin tone, you are not going to enjoy it because even this washes me out like crazy. But yeah, I couldn't really see the color. And also I got 2 lipsticks free which are absolutely of no use because both the shades are extremely light for my skin tone. So yeah, that's the sad thing when you get a free gift but you can't really use it enough. But then I got this Makeup Revolution concealer, which I have under my eyes right now. The concealer is really good. This is legit a full coverage concealer. It is absolutely smudge proof, budge proof and all, waterproof and all. The only thing is that the shades, all the shades are not available on Myntra, I guess. Even if they are available, all the shades are not on discount. I got it in the shade C10, but I think C12 would be better according to my preference because I like completely my skin tone concealer under my eyes, but this is like 1 shade lighter than my skin tone, which I don't really like. If I have full face on, then it might look good. It is looking good, it is not looking bad, but a tad bit darker would be better for me. But the formula is so good, so good. I am concealer lover, of course, but this is definitely, like, I have really hideous dark circle, but you cannot really see it because of the magic of this concealer. And then I got 2 eyeshadow palettes from Makeup Revolution. One is in the shade Affection, another one is in the shade Neutrals 3. Now this shade palette Affection, it has more of the shimmer shades, like most all of the shades are shimmer shades. And I knew it before buying it. I wanted to try it out because you can get all of the shimmer shades in one palette, so that's good. And I absolutely love the color combination of this palette, especially this is in the shade Neutrals 3. It's a beautiful, most of the colors are nude, like you can use them as nude, but a beautiful different shades of nude. You know, you have brown, you have mauve, a little darker mauve, berry kind of shade, kind of orange shade, pink shade, black for smoky eyes. So this is a really versatile palette, and I absolutely love the pigmentation of this as well. Let me just show you, because sometimes what happens is that matte eyeshadows doesn't really have that much of pigment. And oh, let me tell you for how much I got this. I got each of the palettes for first let me tell you the MRP. The MRP is 950 rupees, but I got them for 417 rupees only, 417. Myntra was giving crazy sales, and Myntra usually give crazy sales quite often. So these are the shades. All the 3 shades that I swatched are matte shades. They are matte shades, but they do have great pigmentation. I hope that they blend well. I have heard good reviews, like great reviews about this product. So yeah, I hope that this is going to be a beautiful eyeshadow palette. And then I got this Lakme eyeshadow palette. This also I got for 400 rupees. So that's why I bought it. This MRP of this is 995 again. Can you just believe it? The MRP is 995 and I'm getting this for 400 rupees only in Myntra. Myntra, just if you just want to buy anything, first check it out on Myntra, because Myntra usually have great discounts on their products. So I got this in the shade, I guess, Sundowner. And okay, so the color combination of the palette is really good, but what I was not really blown away by is the pigmentation. Like, it's good, the pigmentation is good, but not as good as the Makeup Revolution ones. Let me swatch it here. No, sorry, not this shade, not this shade, absolutely not. Yeah, this one. Yeah, these three, you know, this one and this one. As you can see, the pigmentation is not that warm, it is kind of there, not too much. So from Myntra, again, I love all of the products except the Makeup Revolution lipsticks. Yeah, that was all for today's video. I showed you all of the things that I bought from recent sales. I hope you guys liked it or enjoyed it or anything of that sort. If you did, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I am definitely going to be regular from now on. And yeah, lots of lipstick swatches and product reviews are going to be up on my channel real soon. And if you have any recommendation, like video recommendation or anything, you can definitely comment it down below. And yeah, that's all for today's video, and bye.